Welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today we will be doing a detailed analysis of silver price analysis for the next 2 days. Where the price of silver is positioned now, as you can see, the price is currently trading at a level of $71.96. Okay, so we'll be explaining you how the 2 hours chart and a daily charts are shaping up and what's the driving powerful move and what we can expect from the next 48 hours and the next month. Silver is currently trading near all-time high level. All-time high level, as you can see, it has already made a half around 72.7, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, we have seen that it is extremely exciting phase for long-term investors. You have to see, because the trend is continuously upside, as well as we have seen in the price of gold that the price of gold has moved a far upside, but the silver price was moving much higher compared to what we have seen in the gold. Looking at this particular chart, at the price of silver, we have seen the China has put very much restriction on the export of the silver as well as gold. Okay, that is where we have seen the price of silver is continuously moving upside. Now if you look at the price of silver on a 2 hours chart basis, what we can see, the price is continuously higher, but there is a pattern is formed. How the pattern has formed, that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a fall has come. If you look at all these trends, we have seen that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen the price fall, and that is a good fall, you can say. Around 10 to 12% fall we have seen whenever it is making a new high. Now if you look at this particular trend, this is the range we have seen. After making a high at a level of 72.7, the price has moved and made a low of around 71.3. If you look at this chart, suppose if the price keep moving above a level of $72.2, we can see it will cross a level of around 70. It can move above a level of 72.7, because this is a zone and a strong level. So if the price keep moving with this particular resistance, a probability of further upside can be seen. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the price is continuously on a higher and higher side, and there is a higher chances that the price can go further upside if the price keep moving over $72.2. Okay, today's low is around 71.3 on a 2 hours chart basis. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, let's look at the daily chart. See, remember that the price is continuously making higher and higher. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen there is a strong control by buyers and clear continuation structure, as you can see in this particular pattern. This was the pattern has formed. So I've clearly mentioned you that as soon as the price keep moving over 51, there will be a continuous upside, and once started sustaining above 54.5, which was an all-time high at this level, and this is after 45 years we have seen the price has come. After that, the price will have not stopped. Clear continuation structure towards an upside and a very positive long-term outlook. As long as the price hold above its major daily support zone, the trend remains firm, you can see. So if the price keep moving off this level, it can touch today's half around 72.7, and if the price keeping above that level, you can trail your SL by $0.5. So at least you will capture a higher movement towards 73, and if the price going above this level, you can see a level of 73.5 to a level of 74. And once the price moving over 74, probability of going towards 75 also can be seen. So trail your SL by 0.5. But if the price keep moving below a level of $71.2, we can see there can be a further fall and can move towards 69.2, and this level is also weak. So we can see if the price fall below a level of 71.2, you can trail your SL by 0.5, so you can capture at least downside movement. Okay, now looking for a 2 hours days project, what you can see over the next 48 hours, silver is position continue trend development. Okay, opportunity further expansion for current consolidation. Okay, remember I have clearly mentioned you that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a fall has come. Okay, so we can see, we can expect if it started forming a 2 hours candle which is red, so we can see there can be a slight consolidation can be happen, or a profit booking can come. Okay, but if the momentum continues towards all-time high and sustain, price can go higher value areas while maintaining healthy market structure. Okay, Now if you look at some of the monthly, we can see that the price is continuous upside and the trend is towards higher. So ongoing industrial demand is very high. Central bank policies expectation can change the price of silver, or can profit booking come at these levels. Continue investor interest in real assets, okay, and strong technical structure on higher time frames. All these elements combine to keep silver in a powerful long term positions, okay. And you have to understand some of the key events that we can affect the price of silver. That is, US Federal Reserve commentary can come, inflation, economic report, global geopolitical development, manufacturing, industrial growth data, okay. And this keep trailing your SL. I have clearly mentioned if the price sustain above a level of $72.3 and once started falling below 71.3, we can see a further fall. Okay, silver continue to offer excellent opportunity execution short term swing and long term trades. Okay, so we stay focused on the trend and the price action what we can see, and the support and resistance I've already mentioned you, and market structure and momentum. Okay, so hope you find this analysis helpful. If you like it, please share and subscribe for daily market insight, and comment below the silver price levels you are watching.